Okay, here's a video on the Highbury. I kind of wanted to do another video of it because there have been some updates, such as we replaced the light bulb in here and little remote, this thing. Let me get this off here. See if I can do it. But the remote mount came off. We took it off. So yeah, now I don't have to like stick my finger between this to flip the switch. And no, the switch does not control the fan. It actually controls the light over my desk. So does not control the fan. The fan is just standalone here. So here's the light. I'm not using my phone to record this. I'm using some Samsung HD camera that I have. I found it in my desk. I remember recording one of my videos with it. I don't know which one. Oh, you're on reverse, aren't you? There you go. I was running it on... I ran it last night while I was sleeping. I ran it on medium reverse. Just to get the air flowing from the heat, because the vent's right up there, so it was kind of moving the heat around the room a little bit. Medium. I am a little afraid to run this because how that gap, it just makes me nervous, but I realize it's been there for like a while. That's medium. High. No wobbling, even though I'm pretty sure it's loose, but whatever. As long as it doesn't wobble, it's fine. It shouldn't fall. Airflow. Yeah, like if I put my finger here, I don't feel it moving at all. Turn the light on again. Hopefully my camera doesn't die on me. This chain's a little bit hard to pull, but it's always been hard to pull since it's been put up. Stop the blades and reverse it. I'm gonna keep it on reverse for the winter season. Yeah, if this thing dies again somehow, but from like the capacitor, I'm just gonna get rid of it. Honestly. Ugh. I hate that pull chain though, it's like really hard to pull. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna break it. I don't know, it's always been like that since I got the fan, so, and it hasn't broken, so, yeah, whatever. Ooh, I almost just hit a blade. This is the speed I was running it on last night. That was my phone, I don't know. Oh, it was an Instagram group chat call, fan group. It blows a fair bit amount of air, not much, but I mean, it's good enough for the room. At least. I might run this on high, on forward tonight. I don't know. I really need to tighten that mounting bracket though. I think. Alright, the camera's about to die, so it was dead, but I charged it, and it's been charging for like 20 minutes, and I didn't want to wait for it, so yeah, that's that. Here, I'll just put it on medium for now because that's what I like it on, and turn the light over my desk on because I like it on. I don't know, I prefer my light over my desk on when I'm like working on my computer. Here. There you go. Turn my TV on too. Sorry if you hear weird noises outside. It's, the weather is not too great. Let's go on YouTube. I would go on Pluto TV right now to watch some football or something, but I'm just gonna go on YouTube for now since nobody's playing right now. So yeah, this is the speed the Highbury was running on last night. It's almost 1 o'clock. Holy crap! Did I really sleep that long? Because I woke up like an hour ago, and it's almost 1 o'clock. So yeah. Yeah, I just thought, this camera isn't as good as my phone's camera, but I still like it. My phone records 4K 60 FPS, yeah, Instagram stuff. Yeah, my phone does, yeah, as you can see, it says 4K 60. Yeah, if you want to watch a video of the Highbury, if you want to watch a video of this in 4K 60 FPS, the video is down below. What the? That's weird. Anyways, if you want to watch a video of that, then watch my latest video. I don't know what this is doing. That's never happened before. Yeah. Let's go see if the heat is on. Clear my clothes here. Let's go see if the heat is on. My dog was in there, but I don't know where she went. She must be downstairs. Ooh boy, my camera's about to die. I better make this quick. Hey, go turn these lights on. I don't know why that kind of has a red tint on camera. There you go. I'm not going to turn those on since those are battery powered and whatever. This video is on the verge of being 8 minutes long. Oh, there's my dog. I was looking for you. She's just gonna go down there. Alright, I better end this before the camera cuts out. I don't know what my computer's doing. For some reason it says Windows sign in on the background. And whenever I press a button, it crashes. Yeah, I'll be back. Well, if this video gets uploaded, then that tells you I got my computer working. So, yep, that's it.